Too many vacuum sealers look interchangeable. Start with the Anova Pro for strong sealing without hogging space. Switch for finer controls or drawer-friendly storage. Choose by sealing frequency, controls, cleanup, and footprint. For most kitchens, buy the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. It combines strong suction, a double seal bar, roll storage, and a cutter without demanding much counter space. That makes regular sealing and custom bag prep easier. The catch is cleanup. Its drip channel doesn't come out, and there's no dedicated cancel button. Opening the handle stops the cycle instead. Skip it if you seal rarely, prioritize effortless cleanup, or routinely package liquid-filled bags without freezing the contents first. For batch prep and more control, choose the Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer VS12. Gentle pressure, an immediate cancel control, and single or double seal choices give you more command across different jobs. Built-in bag storage also keeps repeat sessions moving. But it's larger, heavier, and less intuitive than the Anova Pro. Its juice channel can also be awkward to clean. Skip it if space is tight. You want simple controls, or long-term speed and automatic cycle consistency are your priorities. For occasional sealing in a small kitchen, pick the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer 8 NVS01US00. Its narrow body stores easily on a shelf or in a drawer, and the straightforward controls suit basic bag sealing. You give up onboard roll storage, a cutter, accessory compatibility, and expanded settings. It also uses a single seal, has lower stated vacuum strength, and takes more force to lock. Skip it if you make many custom bags or want stronger suction for frequent prep. Quick split, Anova Pro for the strongest all-around fit. Nesco for batch prep and adjustable control. Slim Anova for occasional sealing where storage space and budget matter most. Before buying, check your storage width, sealing frequency, cleanup tolerance, and whether you need custom bag cutting or immediate cycle cancellation. Start with the Anova Pro if you're unsure. Move to the Nesco when control outweighs footprint, or choose the Slim Anova when occasional use and easy storage matter more. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.